There is a ton to consider when picking the right swimsuit. I know, it's complicated. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about how to pick the right swimsuit for you. So I'm going to be talking about different top selections, bottom selections, and even swim covers as well, which I'm wearing one right now. So different options for you and great options just in general. So this is not geared towards necessarily specific body types. This is just what's worked for me and my shape and frame. So I'll try to insert some pictures here and there of the different bathing suits that I'm going to be showing you that I have liked and that have worked for me over the past few years. So bathing suits are really tricky. I don't know if anyone else feels this, but I feel like bathing suits are so complicated. So sometimes you see one on someone else and you think, I would love that, or that's a cute style, or that would look great on me, and then you try it on and that's just not the case and you hate it. So let me know in the comments down below if you can relate to that, because swimsuits are so difficult for me. But the way I'm going to break down this video for you is I'm going to show you the different tops that I've gotten, different bottoms that I've gotten, and then of course the swim covers as well, and different swim other items that you can try as well. So let's go ahead and start, and I apologize for this tangled mess. So this is my current swimsuit selection. So quite a bit of options here. Honestly, I never really throw anything away. If you've seen my videos, you know that about me already, that I never throw things away. And so I have lots of different swim options and things like that. So I'm just going to break it down for you, and I'm going to break down the different notes as well that I wrote down. So I'm going to hold up my favorite one though. Let me see if I can find it. So my favorite one right now at the moment is actually this one. So it is so cute. I got it off Amazon. So this is a size small in the top and the bottom. I know sometimes swimsuits are weird too, like if you buy them separately, sometimes you'd wear a different size top than bottom, and it's not just an easy small, medium, large situation. But this is my favorite one right now. It's kind of like a high-waisted thing, but it's like you pull it up high-waisted on the sides, but then it's actually like low cut on the bottom, if that makes sense. It's not like a true like high-waisted, like if you were to wear like a high-waisted short. So this is my favorite one right now. But anyway, let me show you the different tops and that I have selection-wise. So this is my favorite one at the moment. If you notice, it's not a regular tie top. It's kind of like a pullover, like a sports bra. So this is one of the top selections that I wanted to talk about. So if you are small-chested like me, then if you have a small bust, and then this is a great option because this actually made it look like I have something. So if you know what I mean, let me know in the comments down below. You know what I mean. And so that's a great option for you for a specific swim top, just to make it seem like more feminine and, you know, just to make you feel more comfortable in a swimsuit. So that's a great one and a great option as well. But then I also have some other options for swim tops as well that I've really liked. So this one I got last year. It has like a built-in bra thing, but you can take it out. And I wear it sometimes with it, sometimes without, just depending on how everything else looks for the day. And that's the thing too. And actually it's kind of funny because my husband has agreed with this statement as well. And he's like, yeah, that's totally true. That it really depends on how you look each day. So you could try on a swimsuit one day and then the next day try it on again and be like, no, I don't really like the way it looks today, or I feel like more bloated today so it doesn't look as good. Let me know if you can relate to that, because that is something that I struggle with each time I go swimming. So each time I go swimming, I try on all my favorite swimsuits first, and then I decide on which one looks best for the day. So I know that sounds a little bit extreme or overboard, but I just try to look my best, and especially when you're going swimming, because swimming is something that you might feel self-conscious about, so it's just important to feel comfortable and look your best. But this is another one that I got from Amazon. It actually goes with a pair of bottoms as well. But it has, again, that back to where it doesn't tie or anything. And I've been trying to find swimsuit tops like this for years because this is the most comfortable style for me since I love to work out. It's kind of reminding me of wearing a sports bra. So those are my favorite kind of styles, although throughout the past years, I have gotten ones that have either led up to getting that style or just some different styles as well. If you know anything about me too, I wear black pretty much all the time. And so I don't change it up that much. But that makes it easy to like mix and match with the different swim styles. But this is one that I've gotten, and it's actually, it just has thin straps here, and this one does tie. So this is a tieable one. It's not one that was just totally closed like the other ones. And this one's really cute too. This one I got a couple of summers before the other two that I shared. And this one I really like a lot. Again, it has those removable cups for the bra. And it just depends how I'm feeling. I'd keep them, and then sometimes they get messed up in the wash, so that I'm too lazy to put them back in. Let me know if you understand that. And so I just have this one as well. This one I like a lot too, but I only wear it sometimes. I like the other ones that I have right now much more that I've already shared. And again, I didn't get actually bottoms with this one. So I just got the top, and I did not get bottoms with this one. That's the cool thing though, is that I don't mind mixing and matching. It just depends on the colors. But then again, if you are small chested like me, you're gonna want maybe, and if you don't want to like just have it be completely flat and you kind of want to accentuate the little bit that you have, then some other great options too are tops that have more padding and more push up in them. Like this one, which I've had for years. I got it from Victoria's Secret. I hardly ever wear it anymore just because it's not really my style anymore. It's not one of those things I really like. But when I was a teenager and just kind of growing up and everything, this is the one that I really liked a lot just because it made me feel more comfortable being a teenager. And then this is another one I actually got from Victoria's Secret. This is one I got after the other one that I just shared, and I liked this one a lot more. So it just ties at the top and then ties in the back as well. And this one definitely really helps because it's basically like you're wearing a push-up bra. So this one's a great option too. I'm sure they still have stuff like this at Victoria's Secret nowadays. I don't really shop there anymore, so I'm not quite sure. But my go-to really nowadays is Amazon. I really, really like Amazon. So those are my different styles and advice for tops. Maybe a regular triangle top too, if you just really don't care. Like if that's okay for you and you're flat chested like me, then go for it. And if that's like what you're trying to go for, absolutely. I have more curves, so I have such a strange body type, I always say, because I have bigger thighs, a small bust, a flat stomach, and then all these curves to go with it. So it's kind of like a mixed match. So for me, I feel like it's really hard to find a good swimsuit. And one of the last style tops I actually want to talk about is this one. So it still shows off like your stomach and everything like that. So it's not like, I don't know what those are called, like tankinis or something, those longer ones. But it's not one of those, and it has just the back. But what I like about this one is it gives some design, and it has like these frillies here. So they're really cute, and it's one of my favorite tops. I actually got this last summer. And just to accentuate, and the nice thing about it is it's so nice to pair with just regular black bikini bottoms. That's how I usually wear this one. It's just with black bikini bottoms. So I didn't buy any bottoms that go with this. I can't remember if they had bottoms that go with this, but I got this one on Amazon as well. So a lot of the stuff you'll see me showing today, I got from Amazon. So those are all the different styles of tops that I would recommend. I'm pretty sure those are all the ones I talked about. Again, I do have the basic triangle top as well. I don't wear this one too often just because it's not the most flattering. This one's from Forever 21, and it's okay. I mean, I have it as an option if I need it or want it. Again, it might depend on the day. So the next group of bathing suit items that I wanted to show you and talk about are bottoms. So bottoms are really important too, and I like to pick them out kind of separately. You can of course buy swimsuit sets, but for me what works is buying them separately and then putting them together. So with that being said, I usually don't do a ton of different style, designs, or choices. For the most part, I have 1 or 2 bathing suit sets, but then everything else is bought separately. And with that, I also try to stick to neutrals. That way everything just matches. So some of the bathing suit choices they have are just regular bikini bottoms. They're not like a string bikini or anything. They're more like hip hugging. And they just have a little like, I don't even know what this is right here, like fringe or something right here. I mean, they're super plain. I got this one from a brand called Calzedonia. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. It's an online brand, so do not be afraid to shop online for things that you want. Even bathing suits, as long as the return policy is good. Also check on that free shipping, that you order enough to where you get free shipping. I always try to do those things. But these I really like. They're very flattering. They sit up a little bit higher than a regular string bikini, so that helps with my curves. With that being said though, I do have some other ones. These ones I got from Target. They're very similar. They have a very similar style, but they sit a little bit lower. This is a total low cut sitting one from Aeropostale that I've had since I was a teenager. It just says Aeropostale on the back. And this one sits even lower, so it's not the most flattering thing for me right now. And then another style option though that I really like with bottoms are these boy shorts. So what you could do is you could wear a regular bikini bottom underneath these and then wear these over, or you could just wear these as your regular bikini bottom. It's completely up to you. So these I really like because they remind me of like Nike spandex shorts. So these are some of my favorites to wear, these bikini bottoms, either, like I said, over another pair of bikini bottoms or even just on their own. They're really cute and they sit up a little bit higher. So maybe if you're like super bloated one day or you're not feeling the greatest, these are a great option because they're just really flattering. And then I get into the other ones which help with my curves, and these are the high-waisted swimsuits or swim bottoms. So they have little ties on them down here, just a style thing. I'm not really picky about it, but these are my high-waisted bottoms. I really like these ones. I think that's the pair that's my favorite. This one for the black regular bikini bottom that goes with the Victoria's Secret top. But sticking to the high-waisted ones. So now these ones, what they do is they make everything like a little bit more square and boxy. So this is the first ever high-waisted bathing suit that I got, and I liked it. It served its purpose. It was good. I might wear it again in the future, but what I like even better than that one is actually this one here. And it has a thick, I don't even know, like waistband, you could say, with it. And then it just sits really high, and so it's very flattering. It makes everything look really long, like your legs look really long, which I do have long legs, but I'm not as tall as some other people that I've been seeing recently. I believe this one was on Amazon as well, so another great Amazon find for you. It comes in multiple colors. Again, I'm boring, I'm basic, I just get regular black. You can get what you want. But I really like the black. Black is always slimming, as they say, and so this is one of my favorite ones to wear. I love the high-waisted look. It fits the best with my curves. And then the last part that I wanted to talk about is actually not even swimsuits, but what to wear with your swimsuits. So I've been getting really into swim covers lately, so I got this cute one on Amazon. Hopefully you can see it okay. It's got little like frills here that hang down. It has a little cutout here. And it's just so cute to wear over your swim cover or your swimsuit as a swim cover, and it's just adorable. I love it. And then the other one that I got is just for the bottom, so it wouldn't cover your top, but this is more of a great option if you know you're going to be out in the sun all day or maybe at the beach. This one is just for your waist, so this one just wraps and ties around. You're going to want to tie it probably to the side of your hip, and it can go either way. It can be tied on the left or the right side of your hip and just hug around your hips for your bikini. So this is one of my favorite options too, just to make everything look a little bit nicer. So hopefully some of these bathing suit tips helped you today to find and kind of process of elimination some swimsuits that are going to help work with your shape. This helped work with my shape, again, kind of describing my shape where I have bigger thighs, a smaller bust, lots of curves, and a flat stomach, just things like that. So a really strange shape, I understand, but you know, you gotta do what works for you. And most importantly, you have to wear what you feel comfortable in. So don't be afraid to try things on. Don't be afraid to buy things and return them. I've done it multiple times. And also, every swim season might be a little different. So if you get a new swimsuit every season and it makes you feel better, go for it, honestly. It makes you feel better, so it's so much better of an experience you're gonna have swimming. So if you liked this video today, make sure to check out the channel for more videos. I have exercise content or fitness related content on my channel, some walking videos. I have shorts every week on my channel as well, cleaning videos for cleaning motivation for you, and teaching as well. So lots for everyone to check out on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.